The U.S. Department of State has given the green light for a foreign military sale valued at approximately $172 million to Ukraine, providing them with advanced MIM-23 HAWK Phase III missile systems and comprehensive support packages. This deal includes not only the missile units but also vital logistics and sustainment components such as 5-ton cargo trucks, spare parts, missile repair kits, system refurbishment services, specialized tools, testing equipment, and extensive technical documentation. Both U.S. government and contractor experts will deliver training and technical assistance to Ukrainian personnel to ensure effective system operation. Originally introduced in the late 1950s and modernized significantly by 1989, the HAWK missile system continues to be a critical asset for Ukraine's air defense against Russia's aerial threats. The Phase III upgrade brought a fully digital command and control suite and sophisticated radar improvements, notably the N/MPQ-62 continuous wave radar and the N/MPQ-61 illuminator radar, which enhance detection capabilities, allowing the system to track multiple low-altitude targets simultaneously. This makes it particularly suited to countering Russian cruise missiles and loitering drones, many of which fly below 150 meters, exploiting gaps in other air defense networks. Since receiving these missile batteries from the US, Spain, and other partners in late 2022 and early 2023, Ukrainian forces have recorded impressive operational outcomes. Ukrainian Air Force reports confirm that single HAWK batteries have intercepted over a dozen cruise missiles, including Kh-59 in caliber variants, and more than 40 Shahid-type loitering drones, Iranian-designed weapons widely used by Russia. In notable instances, one launcher shot down 3 cruise missiles in quick succession during concentrated enemy attacks, showcasing the system's precision and the high proficiency of Ukrainian crews operating Western-origin air defense technology. The system's advanced radar suite is the cornerstone of its combat effectiveness. The Phase III's dual radar configuration enables simultaneous detection, tracking, and engagement of multiple targets within a cluttered and electronically contested battlefield. By consolidating acquisition and tracking radars into a streamlined, digitally controlled package, the system excels in low-altitude environments where adversaries attempt to avoid detection. This architecture integrates with command posts that coordinate several launchers for effective multi-target defense under intensive electronic warfare. Missile performance also remains a critical factor. The MIM-23 improved HAWK missile features a powerful dual-thrust solid-fuel motor, capable of speeds near Mach 2.4 and equipped with a 75 kg blast fragmentation warhead optimized to destroy rather than just disable targets. Guided by semi-active radar homing and supported by ground-based illuminators, the missile engages threats at ranges from 1.5 to 40 km and altitudes up to 18 km. This capability is well suited for defending against the medium-range, low-flying cruise missiles and drones that dominate the threat landscape in Ukraine. Analysts estimate the Phase III variant's hit probability at approximately 85%, a remarkable improvement compared to earlier versions, a figure corroborated by real combat success. Mobility is another operational advantage for Ukraine. Though not tracked, the trailer-mounted launchers and radar units are easily repositioned by conventional logistics trucks. A typical HAWK battery comprises a pulse acquisition radar, continuous wave radar, multiple illuminators, and up to 9 launchers, each holding 3 missiles ready to fire. The battery can be deployed and made fully operational within about 30 minutes, and can quickly relocate to respond to evolving threat directions. This flexibility allows Ukrainian forces to adapt their defenses, safeguarding key infrastructure while mitigating risk from concentrated enemy strikes. Compared to expensive and complex systems like the Patriot or SAMP/T, the HAWK offers a cost-efficient alternative that can be widely deployed across Ukraine. Its lower operational and maintenance costs enable broader coverage of medium-range aerial threats without monopolizing scarce high-end air defense resources reserved for strategic targets. The system's longevity and availability are supported by decades of production, over 40,000 missiles built, and the ability of US and European partners to refurbish and supply components without weakening their own arsenals. This logistical sustainability allows Ukraine to expand its layered air defense network, blending modern Western technologies with indigenous systems and innovations, including AI-based counter-drone measures. In sum, the MIM-23 HAWK Phase III remains a vital and battle-proven asset for Ukraine's defense, combining proven missile technology with modernized radars, command systems, and adaptable deployment to counter the evolving Russian aerial threat efficiently and affordably.